your dread, homie, got play manager 8. I'm a beast in the 8. Picking the cake from the branch to the speech. I'll pay in the garden for the Mattolina. I care the name. Hey, what's up, guys? It's kind of dark here. What's up, guys? Me, Desmond Tech here. Welcome back on a vegan. Let me see. Is this working? Did it turn off? Okay. What's up, guys? Me, Desmond Tech. Welcome back on vegan. How you doing today, yo? Today I'm gonna show you how to get to the deep web or the dark web. Just know I don't condone any illegal activity. Do not do any illegal activity. Do everything legally, of course. And yeah, and don't do pirating or anything like that. But I'm not gonna show you anything illegal because, you know, that fear will come to my door. I'm gonna show you something legal. And I created a deep web website on my let me show you where the server is. So Jesus Christ, I'm sorry with the camera angle. It's really like bright. The server is located right here. So I convert this Raspberry Pi into like a Tor server, like a Tor network server. So I have my own network. It's bypassing the ISP, bypassing like the not ISP. It's bypassing like the router and the ports. So you do not have to do port forwarding. So which is good. I don't have to mess with the modem. So I literally connect this to any house and then it will connect to the internet automatically. So it's bypassing it, and that's literally the connection. That's the server. I'll show you I'll show you the main server. Show you what it looks like when you turn it on. Don't mind the room, it's a little bit messy, but that's the server right there. I'm gonna show you the monitor. This is the monitor screen, the main screen. I'll show you what it looks like on here. I'll show you everything's working for evidence. And I'm hoping I have power in here. Just look at the server real quick. In the meantime, alright, it's powering on real quick. So I got it to power on, and it's on HDMI 1 that's connected to the Raspberry Pi. I got this Raspberry Pi for Christmas. This was the best, probably one of the best Christmas gifts I've gotten so far. It's awesome. It was very good. It was bought by my parents, so they got it for me, which was when I was very young, and I used it ever since, and it's pretty cool. It's a very unusual product. So I'm gonna show you a little trick what I did with this Raspberry Pi. Converted it to like a little Tor server, and I'm gonna show you evidence that the site works. So can I get this to work? I hope I can get this to work, because sometimes like it just doesn't power. Hold on, it's on sleep mode so for some reason. So is it the right input? I hope it's the right input. Right input. So hopefully I get the right input. It's the right input, but it's on sleep mode. It's like stuck. So this power, so this should be powered here. I forgot how do you wake a laptop? I don't want to wake up like how you wake up the laptop on sleep mode. I forgot how to do it. Let me pause this for a second. Okay, I just got it to work. So that's the server right here, right? So I'm gonna show you real quick. So don't mind the wallpaper, of course. Don't mind the wallpaper. It's anime alone. Want to go to Japan, of course. So let's go to the terminal, and I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna zoom in into the terminal. So I'm gonna go to the previous command, and that was the let me keep going. What was the command right here? I'll show you the command. I'm gonna show you the cat command. Where's it? Which one is that one? Sudo. Yep, cat. Yeah. This is my onion address right here. So you can tell this is my onion address. This is my exposed onion address. You can check this website out. I'll leave it in the website, my main website, which is Mattolina LLC. So check it out, mattolina.com. Alright, so now let's continue. So I'm gonna clear this out. Let me clear this out real quick. Clear this terminal out. And let me go back to the let's see, what's it called? The services. I'll show you sudo server status, and this is the server. It's a Tor TCP, whatever that is, overlay network. You can see that's overlay network, and the evidence I have it activated, so you can see it's activated. I'll show you the HTML codec program too of the website. I'll show you the source code I use. Let me show you the source code. So I went to File Manager, and I have the source code. And wait, hold on, is this? Yeah, it's in here. So you want to open it with text. This is the source code right here. So this is the source code. I programmed this. I use this book. I also have a book. Yeah, this is the source code I made, And this is Mattolina. Let's see, you can see the source code. It's open source, by the way, so anybody can modify it. I'll leave in the description about this code. Maybe, I don't know, maybe make it open source. But I'll show you the book what I use to program it. I am currently learning how to program because I want to be a IT expert, work for IT and stuff. But I realized that being an IT expert, you have to learn how to program. And I recommend this book. It's a beginner-friendly guide. Even though it talks you the basics of like programming, the security on there, and this has security too. I'll show you evidence of that too later. But yeah, so this takes you the basics of programming, like HTML. And HTML's when I think of programming, I thought it was like the hard, really hard. HTML's pretty easy. Anybody could probably learn it. It's like learning another language. It's like learning like a language from like English, or I think of this like learning like Spanish. You know, Spanish is easy, or like learning English. It's like easy. It's like a language. Learning another language. I feel like the comparison in programming language, like if you talk about like the hardest language, like C#, I think was it C#? What was hard? C#? No, C++. I think C++ was hard, and that would be equivalent to China, like a Chinese language, or whatever hard language you can think of. Whatever you think is hard, that like it depends. And then you have Lisp, which is the old programming language they use like the older computers, which people rarely use that language no more, but some people still use it. This is an example of here. But I just took what I learned from here and then just make my own version of the code. I programmed it by myself. So I recommend you buy this book. It's awesome. It teaches a lot if you want to get into programming. And for Christmas, I'm working on getting like a programming book for myself and just like learn how to program and just use this as a career path and see I can program careers. So now let me show you the fun part, and let me show you the Tor network. I hope do I have Tor in here? No, I don't have Tor in here, so I have to download it on here. I don't have Tor in here, but I can show you Tor on my phone, which I think would be better. So I'll show you evidence. It also works outside the network, which is cool. So even if you basically have a different Wi-Fi connection, it will still work outside the network. So there's evidence of that. Alright, let me put my top command so I can like get the resources. These are the resources I'm using. So it says like I'm using like about some resource. That's my server. I'll leave it as that for that default. It's good to use Linux, and I gotta say Linux is pretty easy. It's not that hard. I also use Arch, but I don't recommend like for beginners to use Arch to use it. It's very complicated, but it's doable. It's not impossible, but it's doable. But that's the server right there. You can see that's evidence for that. Now let's get to the next part, and that is my website. We're gonna see a live website in action. So I'm gonna show you right now the website. Sorry about the lighting. I'm trying to get the right lighting as much as possible because this phone keeps falling asleep. Because Androids are known to fall asleep easily. So if the light is off, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to fix it. I'm trying to fix the light as much as possible. So I'm hoping it connects. Let me just back it up a little bit. Can you see it? If you can see it, comment below. If you can't see it, I'm so sorry. But now, let me let it focus. Okay. My Tor is not loading. It's loading, but it's taking a while. Hold on, let me just reboot this real quick. Okay, we're connected now. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm hoping I can see it. This is hard to record because I'm literally doing things. So I'm gonna go to Mattolina, the website, the official website, and then just connect to there. This is hard to do. This is really hard to do. Because I'm literally looking at the camera, so it's a little bit off. So you have a little input lag with the camera and stuff, so I can't really see really well. No, I don't want to go down. Alright, let me just do it from here. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. Alright, this is kind of hard. Because with Tor, you can't really like record. You can't really screen record Tor. You know, since it's basically a privacy-based browser. So even, which I like too, which I like about it. But then getting screen capture of the stuff you did on Tor. This is why I'm literally recording this way, because I tried screen recording it doesn't work because it usually blocks it. You could try it. It literally blocks it on Tor, so you have to literally record it like this and just show you evidence like that. Obviously I'm not gonna show you anything illegal or anything bad because, you know, YouTube will demonetize it, and B, I probably would get arrested for that. But I'm gonna show you legal stuff. So obviously it works with regular sites, but let me show you my Tor site. Okay, this is not the site. This is just like the main service website. This you can find on the service web, but what you can't find on the regular web is the Tor site I made. Go back. This is the Tor site. You see this right here? No, not there. Not there. I'm so sorry. You see this right here? That one? That's the Tor site. So you want to copy it. You want to copy it from here. It's kind of clunky. You have to copy it. Now, it doesn't paste. It doesn't go to the link automatically. You have to copy it manually. And then once you copy it manually, you kind of paste it onto here. You paste it onto here, hoping that it works. So I hope it works. If it doesn't work, then I don't know. And if it does work, please work. So let's hopefully it loads. If it doesn't load, okay, it loads. And this is my website. Boom, this is my website. This is my Tor website program. You can see the source code. The source code is right there. You know, this is evidence. The server, like I said, is over there. That's the server. It's running in the background. It's a Raspberry Pi server. I showed you right there earlier. And this is the website. It's the same website I programmed. And you can see, that was the source code I showed. It's pretty cool. I made a deep web website. Oh, Jesus Christ, why it keeps closing? Okay, let me just back it up a little bit. And then zoom in. Zoom in and back it up. I'm trying to back it up and zoom in because it's very clunky. Okay, there we go. Now you can see it. It's not perfect. The camera's not perfect because obviously the brightness. So I'm going to try to brighten this up. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, this is the website here. You can see right here, which is pretty cool. You can see it. That's my website. Yeah, it's Mattolina Network. You play videos on here. Hi, my name is Matthew. Welcome to my deep web website. So I'll leave the link in the description. But you would need a Tor browser on Android, iOS. There's some on iOS. Luckily, there's Tor's alternatives because people develop some. You can't get Tor on iOS, but there's ways around it. Like there's some alternatives to Tor. It's not the official Tor, but there's people that programmed it and bypassed App Store and made like the Tor browser. But you can still get it on App Store technically. I don't know why people say you can't get Tor. I'll show you maybe another video how to do it on iOS, which is a little harder, but it's doable. You can get it, and it works. So I can show you evidence. But let's play a video. The video also works on here, I think. If it doesn't work, then I don't know, but probably not gonna work. Yeah, usually it works, but it works only on certain phones. Keep that in mind. But yeah, it's my website I created, so hope you like it. Hope you like this video. I know it was a short video today, and yeah, hope you like this video. I know the camera's kind of crappy. I'm so sorry, but that's literally the only way. I'm dead serious. This is the only way to record the film because like not the film, the recording of my phone, because if I don't, then like basically the what's it called, if I screen recorded it from like my phone, it would just not record for some reason. It was just because it has this feature where if you record it, it blocks like the video. So that's why last time when I tried to record the Tor browser, it didn't work and I scrapped it because it was really bad. It didn't work. But yeah, you can tell this is an Onion site. I'll show you evidence right here. This is an Onion site. It's the same website and same Onion site. How to go back? Oh my God, no! I hate when it's slow. I hate when it's happening. You can see the evidence. See, it's a secure connection. So if you try to hack me, you can't. You can't. It's a secure connection. And yeah, this is a secure connection. And this is not my IP address, by the way. It's totally different. So yep, safe. I think that's gonna do it for the video, guys. They've subscribed to my channel. I can't believe we have 36 subscribers. So yeah, I hope you like my network I made, my own private network. So it's gonna be slowly but surely, it's gonna be a little bit harder to hack. So yeah, there you go. This is my tech. I gotta go hack a server for a purpose, man. You know, I think continue to support and I'm out. Think continue to support and I'm out.